Someone could be tracking your location, accessing your photos, or even connected to your Apple account, and you wouldn't even know it. But your iPhone has a hidden tool that exposes everything in seconds. Let me show you. What we are talking about here is Safety Check. So what is Safety Check? Safety Check is a powerful privacy feature that lets you review who you are sharing with, which apps have access, and which devices are connected to your account, all in one place. Now, step 1. Open Safety Check. Go to the settings, then Privacy and Security, and scroll down to Safety Check. Right under Blocked Contacts, you'll find it and tap on it. Now tap Manage Sharing and Access and hit Continue. Then review people and shared information. Here you'll see two sections, people and information. If you tap into them, your iPhone will show exactly what you're sharing, like photos, location, calendar, messages, notes, and more. If it says you're not sharing anything, you're good. Tap Continue, and now this step is complete. Now, the next step, review app access. Very important. Now, your iPhone will show all apps that have access to your data. You'll see a list of apps. For example, if you tap the info icon on an app like Google Maps, you might see it has access to location, microphone, camera, Bluetooth, and media library. If anything looks suspicious, tap on it and choose Stop App Access. Take your time here. This step is critical. Once you're done, tap Continue. Then, Emergency SOS and Contacts. Here you can review or add emergency contacts. These contacts will be notified if you use emergency SOS or if your iPhone detects a hard fall. You can add contacts or skip this step. Tap Continue. Then, review connected devices. Now this is where things get serious. Tap Continue and you'll see all devices connected to your Apple account. If someone else has access to your account, their device could be here, and they could access your data, change your password, and track your activity. Tap on any device to see details like model, iOS version, phone number, serial number, and IMEI. If you don't recognize a device, tap Remove immediately. Once you're done, tap Continue. Next step, secure your Apple account. Now you'll be prompted to update your Apple account password. If you think someone might have access, change it right now. If not, you can tap Update later in Settings. Then we have Update Device Passcode. Next, you'll be asked to update your iPhone passcode. Again, if you feel your iPhone is not secure, change it now. Otherwise, tap Update later in Settings. The final step, completion. Now you'll see a summary screen. Tap Done. Your iPhone may also suggest reviewing additional areas like IP address visibility, passwords and accounts, social media access, device tracking, cellular plan sharing. Now, how often should you use Safety Check? You don't need to do this every day, but you should run a safety check once every month or anytime you feel your privacy might be at risk or after installing a lot of new apps. Most people never check this, and that's exactly why it matters. Now you know exactly who and what has access to your iPhone. This is Tech Tip Tabs. Stay smart, stay secure. Like the video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.